How's that?
Good.
Chad Kirkwoods having a break from doing a bit of a cycle. We're playing on a swing that has been here donkey's years. You alright? Chad Kirkwoods. You alright, Josh?
Yeah.
Here we are, Middlewood Way. Going that way. All the way down there to Bollington. It's Josh now coming out of Middlewood Way onto the viaduct at Bollington. There we go, young man.
Pardon?
There we go.
Yeah.
You're on the viaduct to Bollington.
Yeah.
Let's see what's happening here. I think there's a cricket match going on down there. Not too sure. We're going that way and onto the canal at Macclesfield. Alright, Josh, here we are at the ice cream place, Bollington. Brilliant. Lovely around here, isn't it? We're going to enjoy a nice ice cream now, a well deserved one.
Yeah, some water as well, I need it.
Yeah. Macclesfield Canal. And now me and Josh are going on to the Peak Forest Canal, which is here. This is the Marple Basin, and we're going in that direction to my house.